All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're working on a 2003 Toyota Corolla with a 1.8 liter engine. I just did the O2 sensor, the Upstream O2 sensor. It actually sits behind the front of the engine. I'm so sorry about this poor lighting, but yeah, it sits between the firewall and the engine. So right down there, there it is, right? But the crazy thing is, it actually takes a 22 millimeter. And I actually have a O2 sensor socket, but I couldn't get it on there because it's so close to the firewall, it wouldn't fit. So that is a problem too. And then also another problem is it has this heat shield. So what I had to do to get this out is I had to remove the heat shield, which has four 12 millimeter bolts right here. Remove the bolts and then pull the heat shield up and over the connector here. And then get a 22 millimeter wrench and get down on there and break it loose that way. That's the only way I could get it out. Now, if you don't have a 22 millimeter wrench, they sell them at Harbor Freight, a whole set, a really good set actually, and it's like 22 bucks. So might be well worth your while to pick up the wrench set from Harbor Freight if you need a 22 millimeter, because you cannot get a O2 socket back there because of the firewall, and then also because the heat shield is in the way as well. But I just wanted to show you that. So if you need to change the front Upstream O2 sensor, I think it's a P0135 if I'm not mistaken. If I'm wrong, I'll put up the correct code right now on screen. But yeah, that's how you get up the front Upstream O2 sensor on a 1.8 liter Toyota engine.